Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 Longhorn Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in pearl white. It looks great. You do have the bug deflector right up front here with the chrome accenting on the grille, as well as your tow hooks and your chrome bumper with the parking sensors. You do also have bifunction projector style headlights with your fog lights, right down there. And coming around the side, we do have our 20-inch rims with our Bridgestone brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You do have the running boards along the bottom with that Ram Longhorn badging there, as well as the chrome accented mirrors there with your turning signals on them. They are heated as well. And coming all the way around to the back, we have a 5-foot box here with our Ram Longhorn, as well as the dual tailpipes and the chrome accenting with the parking sensors. You do have your backup camera there, and if you open it up, it does have lots of room back here with the box liner in it, so it won't be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the snow. Now it also has proximity keyless entry, so if you just put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. You also got the button there if you did want to press it. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here with this guy that does bring in your mirrors. You have some chrome accenting here and a handle here, some storage down here, and some more down here with the water bottle holder. Nice wood accenting, and the brown leather looks fantastic. Looks great. You do have the Longhorn badging on there, and then down here you do have the seat controls over your seat, so back is forward as well as the tilt. Down here you do also have the lumbar support, and this guy here is the seat memory. And then over here we have the controls over our lights, or auto or off. Our daytime running lights, our low beams, as well as this guy, if you press it in, is our fog lights. And then right here is the control over our turning signals, high beams, and our windshield wipers. And there is our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Okay, let's start her up here. So just gotta put our foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, our engine temperature. We also have our battery life and our oil there. Now right in the center it does tell us right now how many kilometers we're going. Now it does also say the kilometers we have, which is 28,000, not too many at all. Also the temperature outside and all that fun stuff. Now you can change that around to your vehicle info, your fuel economy, your trip A and B, as well as your trailer tow options, your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Over here we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so we have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM there, as well as our media tabs if we have one hooked up through disc, USB, aux cord, SD card slot, or Bluetooth. You also have your controls over heated and vented seats and heated steering wheel, backup camera, mirror dimmer, all that fun stuff. Uconnect apps in here. Your climate control, it is a dual climate for you and your passengers. You can have different levels of hot or cold, as well as you have your navigation here, so you can hit view map and see we are on Wreck Place. Then you also got your phone options right there. Now down here we do have a volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and the browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down. This guy is also our off and our power and the auto. Then you also have your defrost over there. Trailer brake here. Then over here we do have our traction control, tow and haul mode, front and rear park assist. You have your heated and vented seats as well as your heated steering wheel. Bit of storage here, bit more down here. You can fold this over as well. And then you have a little place to put your phone. You have some cup holders here. And over here we do have our gear shift as well as our controls over 4-wheel, auto, lock, low, 2-wheel. And then when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera right there. Now, in the center we do have our armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders in here. And right over here we do have a USB plug-in, aux cord, and another plug-in as well as a SD card slot. Then in here you got lots of room as well as a CD player. And over here we do have the top layer glove box and the bottom layer right there. Looks great. And up top we do have the control over the little window in the back. We have the control over our sunroof, and this one is for the universal garage door opener. And there's our sunroof. It is raining and gross, but it looks fantastic. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you have that same wood accenting, a little bit of chrome here, the control of your windows, handle, some storage, and some more. Looks great back here as well. You got these storage here. Looks awesome. It is the brown leather. You can lift these up, and you do have some storage just underneath there. And this guy here can fold up like this and lay right down flat, and you can put stuff on top of. On the other side, there is a subwoofer under there, and you can also fold this right down like this, and then you got a armrest and some cup holders. You do have heated seats in back here as well, and you have some storage containers just underneath there. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Ram 1500 Longhorn. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.